हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, मी गायत्री सदाफळ पुन्हा एकदा तुमचं स्वागत करते आपल्या महाराष्ट्र मीडिया या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर। आज आपण घेणार आहोत जिओग्राफी स्टँडर्ड 7 जिओग्राफीची चॅप्टर 4 चे आपण आज सोल्युशन स्टार्ट करणार आहोत। ओके, हाऊ सीजन्स ऑकर पार्ट फर्स्ट चॅप्टर फर्स्ट। ओके, आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेन्स। हाऊ डू द डे अँड नाईट ऑकर ऑन द अर्थ? Day and night occur on the earth because of the earth rotation. What term is used to describe the earth revolution around the sun? The term orbital motion is used to describe the earth revolution around the sun. Third, how long does the earth take to do so? Answer, the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Fourth question, in which hemisphere in our country located? Answer, our country lies in the northern hemisphere. Question number 5, why don't the sun's rays fall perpendicularly at the places on the earth? Answer, the sun rays do not fall perpendicularly at all the places on the earth because the earth is not a flat but a spherical in shape. Second, can you record the entries of the sunrise and sunset of the month of June given below the answer? हे आपल्याकडे काय आहे, चार्ट हे आन्सर आहे। ओके, फर्स्ट आहे रेफर टू द टेबल अबव बुक स्टेट विच आर द लॉन्गेस्ट डे? आन्सर, द लॉन्गेस्ट डे आर फ्रॉम 19 June to 26 June. सेकंड आहे what difference do you notice in the duration of nights from the 19 June to 28 June? The duration of night keep on increasing day by day. Question number 3 आहे what is the reason behind it? Answer, the sun is now moving southwards. Okay. Fourth, how did you find out the duration of the night? Answer, the duration of day is subtracted from 24 hours to get the duration of night. Question number 5, which two dates have days and night of the same duration? Answer, March 22 and September 23 have the same duration of days and night. Okay. Question number 6, with the help of the table you saw how the duration of day and the night changes. Do you think such a change occur everywhere on the earth? Yes, duration of day and night changes everywhere on the earth. 7, use of above format to record the duration of daytime from 19 to 28th of the every month from September to December. Answers, students should expected to attempt the activity and answer on their own. Question number 3, think about it. First, if the position of the shadow on the wall moves towards the north, in which direction does the location of sunrise sunset appear to shift? If the position of shadow on the wall moves towards the north, the location of sunrise and sunset shift towards the southwards. Okay. थँक्यू स्टुडंट्स, पुन्हा भेटूया आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये।